If your iPhone videos aren't loading properly, here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix it. First of all, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears, then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and turn your phone back on. This often fixes minor glitches immediately. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. Try opening a website or another app to see if your connection is working. Now, let's check your storage, and for that, go to your device's settings and then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, free up some space by deleting unused apps or large files. Low storage can prevent videos from loading. After that, update your iOS if needed. For that, go back to the General Settings menu and then tap on Software Update. Here, install any available updates. Sometimes, bugs preventing videos from loading are fixed in new updates. Next, try closing the Photos or Videos app completely and reopening it. And finally, if the problem persists, reset network settings. For that, go back to the General Settings menu and scroll all the way down. Then, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone followed by Reset. Here, select Reset Network Settings from the options. This will reset Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them handy. And that's all. Following these steps should fix videos not loading on your iPhone. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes.